Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how do you get Gold Note on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, go to your Play Store. Now you want to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. Now go to your Instagram. Now when you're adding a note, make sure that there is a word gold or Olympics. Or you can also create a sentence from it. You can also type congratulations. Now this feature is for celebrating the Olympics, so if it is not working in your app, then it is no longer available, and then that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.